Dead battery? What if you could jumpstart a full-size truck in seconds, without another car? Today we're checking out the VTOMAN V-Truck Pro 8000 amps jump starter, a heavy-duty portable power pack built for car, trucks, and even diesel engines. Let's see if it's actually worth it. Okay, and this is what it comes inside the box. Comes with a cable, USB-C to USB-C connection to charge it, and the brick with this connection for the power outlet connection to charge it, the manual how to use it, and the jump starter. Wow, it has some weight, so this one must be powerful, and it has the cables on the side, both of them. Has this tab to hold it. On the back, the cable, you can wrap it in there. In the front, look at that. It will tell you how much percentage has, so it's 100% right now. This one is an LED light that has solid, strobe faster, and strobe slower, and you can turn it off. And this one is for the power to jumpstart a car. You can charge it here with the power cable, or you can charge it too with the USB-C connection, and you have two USB-A's to charge your device. So it's cool. This side nothing, and the bottom nothing. And it has a handle to hold it. So that's everything that comes inside of the box. This is the VTOMAN jump starter. So this one is powerful even for trucks. So let's test it in here. Okay, and that's how to jumpstart a car. And here's what makes this thing powerful. 8000 amps peak current. This can jumpstart large vehicles including trucks, SUV, and even diesel engines. High capacity battery. Not just for emergencies, you can also charge your phone, tablet, and other devices. Smart safety protection. Built-in protections for reverse polarity, short circuit, or overcharge. So it is safe even if you are not a pro. LED emergency light. Perfect for nighttime situations or roadside emergencies. Works in extreme conditions. Designed to perform in hot or cold weather. Super important if you are in a road a lot. And here are the top specs of the VTOMAN V-Truck Pro 8000 amps. If you drive a truck, SUV, or just want peace of mind, the VTOMAN V-Truck Pro 8000 amps is a solid investment. It's one of those things you hope you never needed, but you'll be glad you have. If you want to check it out, the link is down below in the description of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.